Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this video right now, chances are you're struggling with slow hair growth, hair fall, or maybe your hair just isn't as thick or healthy as you want it to be. And trust me, I've been there. There was a time when my hair was weak, falling out constantly and growing extremely slow. I tried a lot of random products, oils, and quick fixes, but nothing really worked until I stopped doing the wrong things and started focusing on natural methods that actually help your hair grow faster. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I did step by step, 100% natural, no fake promises, no expensive products. Make sure you watch till the end because one of the most important tips is something most people completely ignore. Let's get started. I will explain everything clearly now and you can use it in your life. Understanding the real problem. First, let's understand one thing clearly. Hair doesn't grow fast just because you apply oil 1 or 2 times. Hair growth depends on your scalp health, your diet, your daily habits. If your scalp is unhealthy, no oil in the world will save your hair. So the first thing I fixed was my scalp. I have tried to explain it here in a total of 8 steps. Step 1. Scalp care routine. What I started doing was very simple. I began massaging my scalp for 5 minutes every day. Not aggressively, just gentle circular motions. Why? Because it increases blood circulation, more blood flow, more nutrients reaching your hair roots, and that means faster and healthier hair growth. I usually did this before sleeping, and trust me, within a few weeks, I noticed my hair felt stronger. Discuss. Now step 2. Natural oils that actually work. Now let's talk about oiling, but not just randomly applying oil and hoping for magic. Here's what I used. Coconut oil, castor oil, very important for thickness. A few drops of onion juice, optional but powerful. I mixed them and applied it 2 to 3 times a week. Important tip, don't leave oil for 2 to 3 days like many people say. That can actually clog your scalp. Instead, keep it for 1 to 2 hours or overnight, then wash it properly. This alone made a big difference in my hair growth. Now step 3. I stopped using harsh shampoos. This was one of the biggest mistakes I was making. Most shampoos contain strong chemicals that strip away natural oils from your scalp, and when your scalp becomes dry, your hair growth slows down. So what did I do? I switched to a mild sulfate-free shampoo and I reduced washing my hair to just 2 to 3 times a week because overwashing your hair actually damages it more. And within a few weeks, I noticed less hair fall. Now step 4. Stop doing these mistakes. Now listen carefully again. This part is very important because sometimes your hair is not growing, not because of what you're not doing, but because of what you're doing wrong. Here are the mistakes I stopped. Using too much shampoo, washing hair daily, using hot water, rubbing hair harshly with a towel. Instead, I switched to washing 2 to 3 times a week, using lukewarm or cool water. Gently pat drying. These small changes helped reduce hair fall a lot. Step 5. Diet. The game changer. Now this is where most people fail. Your hair grows from inside your body, so if your diet is weak, your hair will be weak. I started eating eggs for protein, nuts like almonds, fruits like bananas and apples, green vegetables. And most importantly, I started drinking more water. Hydration is extremely important for hair growth. Within 1 to 2 months, I saw a noticeable difference. Now and attention. Please step number 6, onion juice. Powerful but optional. Okay, this one might sound weird, but it works. Onion juice. Yes, the smell is not great, but the results are real. I used it once a week, applied it to my scalp, left it for 30 minutes, then washed it. It helps boost hair growth and reduce hair fall. If you can tolerate the smell, this is a powerful natural remedy. Step 7. Reduce stress. This is something I ignored before. Stress. If you're constantly stressed, your hair will fall no matter what you apply. So I started sleeping properly, avoiding overthinking, taking breaks from screens. Even simple things like going outside or relaxing helped. Hair growth improved when my stress reduced. Please deep attention. Step 8. Be consistent. Now listen. This is the most important tip in this entire video: consistency. Most people try something for 5 to 7 days and quit. That's not how hair works. Hair growth takes time. I followed this routine consistently for at least 2 to 3 months, and that's when I started seeing real results. So don't rush. Trust the process. Real talk. Let me be honest with you. There is no magic oil. There is no grow hair in 7 days trick. Real growth takes effort, patience, and consistency. But if you follow these natural steps, you will see results. I'm not saying this as a theory. I'm saying this from my personal experience.